The Zoom APH-6. The accessory pack for the Zoom H6 handy recorder. The package includes a hairy windscreen with an adjustable drawstring for a secure fit. The windscreen can help reduce wind noise when recording outdoors. Also included is a remote control for the H6. And a 9-foot remote control extension cable. The remote control can be used to record enable tracks, start and stop recording, add marks, adjust output volume, and skip tracks. Also included is a mini USB cable. The USB cable allows the H6 to be used as an audio interface or an SD card reader. The package also includes the Zoom AD17 USB AC power adapter. Its rated output is 5 volts, 1 amp.